everyone, how are you? I hope you're well this week. Sorry that some of you aren't at school. We're really missing you. And some of you are at school, but you've chosen to do some extra learning, so well done, fantastic. Okay, last week our number of the week was, well done, 10. So this week it's a number that is one more than 10. Well done, those of you who know it. Okay, if you're not quite sure, let's do our claps and pats. We'll count to 10 and then we'll count one more. Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one more. 11. Fantastic, 11. Let's have a look at our number line, shall we? Can we see number 11? Let's start here. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's last week's. There it is, 11. It's in between 10 and 12. 11. Okay, so can you do 11 taps of your head? Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fantastic. Can you stamp your feet 11 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fantastic. And I'm going to stay sat down because otherwise you won't see me, but you stand up and jump 11 times. Off you go. I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well done. Fantastic. Now you can't show me 11 on your fingers. We haven't got enough. We've got 10 and one more. So you'll have to show me those and show me maybe 1 toe. 10 and one more. Okay, so can you go, pause the video, go and have a look for any 11 items around your house. I'll quickly show you what I've got so you've got an idea of what you could use. Okay, I've got a water bottle. I've got a maraca, a torch, a bell, a teddy, some pretend grapes, a shoe, a book, a cow, a tractor, and a remote control. Okay, so can you pause the video, go and find 11 things that we can use to count? Off you go. Okay, are you back? Fantastic. Okay, first thing that you need to do is line up. Oh, I'll tell you what, I said to get 11 things. Could you now quickly go and get one more thing? Can be anything. Get one more thing and pop it. I've got a ball as my one more thing. Pop it to the side. Well done, you done that? Excellent. Okay, line your 11 things up in a row. Make sure that your one more item is just at the side. Okay, let's count and see how many you've got. So, count with me. You count yours, I'll count mine. Use one finger at a time, one counting word per item, okay? Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Fantastic. Okay, so we know that we've got 11 items there, so we'll have a look at those again in a minute. Let me show you how number 11 looks on a tens frame. So this is our tens frame. I had a look at this last week. Okay, so can you see it's full? It's full, which means there are 10 ones. These are called ones. There are 10 ones on here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got our second tens frame. How many ones has that got on? It's got 1, hasn't it? So that's not a whole 10. So that helps us, when we put that there, that helps us, I'll hold it that way around, to write the number 11, because I get my whiteboard. We say, how many full tens frames have we got? How many tens? So there are 10 ones. That's 1 full tens phrase. So we write the number 1 in the tens column. Okay? And how many extra ones? How many ones on that tens frame? Well done, we've got 1. So 11, put a 1 in the ones column. 11 is 10 and 1 more. And that's how we write 11. 1 whole 10 and 1 extra 1. 10 and 1 more. Okay, after the video, I'd really like it if you could have a go at writing the number 11. Okay, and then send us a picture later on. Right, so number 11, let's go back to our counting things. Does anybody know the number that is 1 more than 11? It's quite tricky because it's a big number. 1 more than 11. Well done. Right, let's check and count. So we know that we've already got 11 items lined up. So get your 1 more item, mine's the ball, and pop it on the end. Okay, so we've got 10. No, we haven't. We've got 11 and we've got 1 more. Can you see it? There you go. Okay, so let's count how many that is all together. 11 and 1 more. Ready? Counting finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done, 12. And if we look on our number line, you'll see it's just fallen down. Okay, so we find number, you see it? We find number 11. Now stick it back up because it just fell down. 11, the number that is 1 more than 11. 12. Well done. So 12 is 1 more than 11. Right, take away your 1 more because we want to go back to having 11 items. Okay, let me pop it there. So have you got 11? Excellent. Now we need to do the number that is 1 less. 1 less than 11. Anybody know? Well done, because 1 less is a bit trickier, isn't it? A bit trickier than 1 more. Okay, so to do 1 less, that means that we take 1 away. Well done, we were doing this last week. So take 1 of your items away. We had 11, and now we've taken 1 away, so we've got 1 less. Let's count and check how many we've got. Counting fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. And if we look on our number line, we'll find the number 11 and we'll go 1 less. 1 less than 11 is 10. Fantastic. Okay, so when you go away today, I'd like you to carry on finding 11 things and counting 11. I would like you to have a go at writing the number 11 as well, okay? And I'd like you to do 11 different actions. So 11 claps, 11 hops, 11 jumps, whatever you like. Okay, fantastic. Take a picture and pop it onto Dojo, okay? Right, see you all later. Bye.